everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the video previous I was doing a rummage haul and you saw that I had this nice big giant bottle that I bought for $3. Well, I'm going to show you how to actually make sun water with this because I'm in need of sun water. So sun water is used in a lot of basic rituals besides moon water. So this is how I make sun water, and the first thing I like to do is add a pinch of salt in the bottom of this and then swish it around to purify the bottle inside, and then I fill it up with tap water and then I set it out in the sun. It's really that simple. And with the remaining sunlight left is all that energy from the sun is going to be soaked up into this nice bottle and it's going to be held in here. So if I do a ritual for Beltane or for Candlemas, like this is the stuff that, because the heat and the energy with it, that's the kind of stuff you'd use sun water for. So let's go make it. The first thing I like to do is to take pure sea salt, because this is very good to use, especially when making liquid mixtures for any type of magical use. This is highly recommended. So first I'm going to take a little pinch, I'm going to put in the bottom of the jar, and then I'm going to shake it up really well so it will cover the entire space on the inside of the jar, so it's a natural purifier. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright. That's good. Just a little bit, just to cover the bottom is usually good. Next we're going to take the water and we're going to pour it in slowly so that doesn't happen. So I'm pouring in the water. Usually I don't like to fill it up all the way just because it makes it really heavy to carry and then to store and trying to get it in and out. So I usually only fill it up to about right there. And now with that nice little pop we're going to mix it. Because you don't want the salt to settle, because if it settles on the bottom, when you try reusing the bottle, it's just, in a bottle like this, it's just a witch to clean. So we'll shake it up pretty good. And then what you want to do is to find a really sunny area that's going to get the sun for more than 5 hours, like 5 is the max, because you don't want this bottle to get too warm. So we're going to go set this out in the pure sun. So in about 3 to 5 hours it should be done, and then I'll go put it away. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you have any suggestions on future videos, just please let me know down in the comments, and see you soon. Bye.